Welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today we are going to study about HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, and more importantly, we are going to study Marquee Tags. In the past video, we talked about how to download Notepad++ and what is Marquee functions. Now, Marquee function along with the images which is running on the screen, I'm going to demonstrate how we can have this one, right? This video is going to be very useful, and please stay tuned till the end. You will get the amazing piece of information. Let's talk about, as I said, that you can use Notepad or Notepad++. This is the typical output you can get it, but let me demonstrate how to do it. So this is the one, and all I'm doing is I'm just deleting everything, and let me do it all from the beginning, right? Basically, what I have HTML, I'm just closing the tag, and then I have a body, and then body of the content. I have them just closing it, and I'm using that main function called Marquee. So here I'm going to close that also as well, right? And maybe I will keep this under here. Okay, maybe I'll just add that as a text. Now it is this is the text we have. Marquee tags. I'm just using as a header. So Marquee tags function using car example we'll be learning today, and stay tuned. And I've also given like Abra Knowledge provides educational contents like below and all that, right? If you wanted to make it italic, also you can do. Let's say bold plus italic. I and then I can just close that also as well. Okay, and Control S, and then I'm just checking it here, and now it has been changed to italic also as well. Okay, let's come back to the main topic. And in order to do that, just recap of the previous video, and very importantly, the file, you have to save the file, save as the file, either in one of the two format you can do, either .htm dot or HTML, right? One of the format you can do. I'm just using the .htm, okay? And now I'm going to write that instruction. Now I'm going to talk about how to add that image, right? Two functions I'm going to have, okay? Marquee, okay, Marquee, and I'm going to say scroll amount equal to, and double quote. What is that? I'm going to keep it like 5. And let me give a directions. The direction, I'm gonna keep it like double quote. I'm gonna keep it like right. It will go towards right. And I'm just closing this one. And then very importantly, I'm gonna take that image. That image is AMG image, and you have a code called SRC, right? Equal to, again double quote. The file name I have given is car dot gif. So along with the extension you should give, for example, whether you have a JPEG or PNG or GIF, you have to, along with that extension you have to give. So the first thing, and then what I have to do, once all done, because it is open tag, I have to close this, right? And so now Control S to save. The two ways we can do, of course, save or Control S you can give. So you can, I'm just running it in this one here. Let me give. So now the image is going. So what the scroll 5 and direction is going towards the right, and then this is the image we have fetched in, right? So now it is one thing is now it is been done. Let's say I wanted to speed up or make it scroll amount to 10, also possible, or you wanted to keep it like 3, and just give Control S and just come back and have a search. Now it is going like very smooth and relaxed and all that, right? So again, if you wanted to keep it like a little bit fast and all that, scroll amount, maybe if you wanted to keep it 10, you can see here. slightly faster, right? The scroll amount we can also increase or decrease. Okay, so that is one of the functions. Very also another things what you can do is, let me do enter, and then I'm gonna open up again Marquee. Okay. Inside the Marquee, I'm gonna keep the direction equal to double quote. Direction I want to keep it from the right or from the left. Let it start from the left. And behavior, I'm going to keep it PE. Okay, behavior double quote. For the behavior, I'm going to keep it like alternate. Okay, and then I'm going to keep that, fix that height also as well. Height equal to double quote. I'm going to start with the 500 pixels and close this one. Control S, I have done. So one I have used direction, one I have used behavior, one I have used height, one I have used scroll amount, one I have directions and all that, right? These 5 functions I have used, tags I have used. So let me refresh. So what is happening here is it is opening from the left and is just alternating down and then it's going towards this one. Again, let's say instead of left, I will say right. Let's see what happens. Control S. So it's moving towards right? And then you can do that. And similarly, if you wanted to, instead of alternate, again, if you wanted to keep it, let's say right, let's see what happens, right? And then let's assume that actually wanted to speed up this one to 100. Let's see what you get this output. Very fast, right? Very fast. And then I'm going to keep 10 and then control S. Okay. Okay. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, you can change the direction, behavior, and even if you want, like instead of 500, if you want 1,000, still you can do it. And all this is pretty much achievable using this. And let's say even if you want 2,000, right? It is going to be even more interesting if it's 2000. See, and you can also do it in the Chrome also as well. The same file name I have, and I'm going to go do it with the Chrome also as well. Whether it's Chrome, Edge, any browser you can use it. And this is going to be very helpful. And today we have learned more of a Marquee tags we have learned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.